show. We have 3 fire extinguishers to show you a comparison. Dissolvable tiny foamed fire extinguisher, air foam fire extinguisher, ABC dark chemical fire extinguisher. The capacity of the water container is around 10 liters. Add 1 liter of DTE, then mix them up. We have arranged a straightforward and public demonstration. With 3 lots of burning items, all of which are PE sponges, sprayed with engine oil and diesel fuel to get the flame strengthened. Now proceeding with the fire extinguishing. We can see that the 2 materials that were sprayed by the traditional powder foaming are still both burning, while the one sprayed with DTE is already extinguished, fully extinguished. So again, this gives testament that to instantly extinguish a fire and to lower the temperature quickly, the fire extinguishing effect of DTE is far superior to any of the other conventional fire extinguishers.
By academics, experienced firefighters, and educational professionals. Its fire extinguishing ability is the only one legally witnessed and endorsed by lawyers. Therefore, there is no doubt of its capability to put out fire.
Today, Firebuster is going to undergo its boldest, most daring test. What kind of test is that? We will be using this tiny Firebuster to demonstrate its fire extinguishing ability. Today, on site, we have prepared 4 motorcycles, bed sheets, tires, and common flammable household material, wood. Okay, that is our test, and we have already passed all tests required by CNS, which is to use so small an extinguisher to achieve the best fire extinguishing results. First of all, let's invite a representative, Mr. Shu. Mr. Shu, how are you?
I'm doing all right, thank you.
Here we can see we have 2 volunteer firefighters. The test we are about to conduct today, in order to prove it's real and isn't staged in any way, we have invited Changjiang Dafang International Law Firm's Ms. Yi-Chun Lin to come to our demo. I'd like now to welcome you to our demo, Ms. Lin. Hello. Okay, let's start our experiment. Now, what's being poured?
It's diesel plus gasoline.
Which is a combination of diesel and gasoline.
Such a big fire is still easy to put out.
My volunteer firefighter friends, 101, let's try Firebuster. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It is almost out.
It is out now. Now, let's ask our lawyer to have a look and bear witness. Huh?
It's not hot. Firebusters
it's really
are low
not
the
hot,
temperature.
believe it or not.
Our Firebuster utilizes a world-patented water-soluble anti-flame solution. Only DTE anti-flame solution achieves the effect of lowering temperature. It's really an amazing thing.
Okay, what's next?
We're going to burn some tires. Because tire contains steel rim and wire, when they burn and after we put out the fire will restart. It's a very difficult substance to put out once it starts burning. Our DTE can effectively contain toxic fumes such as the white smoke coming out now, which is being contained, as you can see.
DDT, used by Firebuster, has passed the non-toxic test of the Bureau of Standards Metrology and Inspection, Ministry of Economic Affairs. It is extracted from non-toxic natural plants. It will not harm your skin even if sprayed onto your body or face. Even when you're in the midst of fire, you can spray Firebuster on yourself to protect against high temperature. It will increase your survival chances. Now, let's have a look at Firebuster and see if it will explode under high temperatures.
The temperature has reached 100 degrees Celsius, which means the water is at its boiling point. In this high-temperature environment, the canister design with inner nozzle mount can withstand high temperatures like this. Okay, let me take it out of the boiling water with this pan.
Okay, you can see.
Ooh, it's really hot.
Okay, hot, very hot. Let's spray it. See?
It still works superbly.
It's not being affected in any way. Let's ask our audience. Madam, do you have a question?
I was wanting to try it myself, if I could. Could I?
Oh, Granny's a little bit nervous. Come and try it now. Oh.
Oh, it's really easy to use. So easy.
Oh, how scary. Okay, the fire is so big. Wow, that's so fast. Did you know it's that fast? Did you know it's really fast? Take a look. It's so fast. Was it fast? For fire in any place, spray it and it will be extinguished.
When a Molotov cocktail explodes, it will produce a huge fire. That's what's terrifying about Molotov cocktails. In case of Molotov cocktail fire, with Firebuster, you will be able to put out the fire within a few seconds. Now, we have come to a scene that you might be a bit familiar with. It's a regular apartment staircase. In case of fire on the escape route, or if it is blocked with junk, your only chance to escape will be eliminated.
This is the only escape route. If hit by Molotov cocktail or intentional motorcycle fire or car, his only escape route is being blocked. We will demonstrate how to effectively use Firebuster to clear a path for survival.
You mean today, for all fire extinguishing, you will only use Firebuster?
Yes, and only a single one.
Only one? Wow, that's scary! How scary was that? Take a look, Mr. Shu. You can see how he's putting out the fire, and he goes straight from the fire case, the only escape route, and puts out the fire. We can only see a little bit of fire now, hardly any fire now. There's no need to doubt. We have let you witness today that such a small fire extinguisher will be able to put out a fire as soon as it starts. Did you know, starting October 1st, 2004, all cars are legally required to be equipped with fire extinguishers? Wow! Very effective against such a big fire. Take a look at that fire extinguisher. How easy it is to put out the fire.
Yes, this is imported from Switzerland. The nozzle spray angle is 15 degrees, hence its coverage